Sunday, everybody. This is Amber again, and I have a video today to share some of these adorable covered sticky notes that I buy at the Dollar Tree. This is the sticky note pad, and if you remember last month sometime, I did a tutorial on how I cover these for Valentine's Day, and so I had spring on the mind this time, and I was so excited because I found that really pretty lime green color. And also, let me pull some of these in here. The yellow and of course the pink goes perfect with spring as well. So I went ahead and picked up some more of these cute chubby sticky note pads from the Dollar Tree, and I pulled out all of my Maggie Holmes Bloom stuff that I have, and I decided to go ahead and use that paper to make some spring sticky note little covers. So I'm not going to do a tutorial here because I already have one on my channel, as I mentioned before, and I'll link it below. So here are the ones that I created, and these are so pretty. I love the Maggie Holmes Bloom collection, and this is what I came up with. I made 4 more of these adorable, chubby little notebooks. So these are all made using the paper and the little cut aparts, and I used either the 6x6 pad or the 12x12. It just depended like what scraps I had. So here's the first one, and I used the pretty chubby little yellow sticky note pad, and just look at all that paper. I just love the size of these. And I used the 110-pound cardstock from Michaels for the base, so in white and then in pink. Here's this one. I think this one's my favorite. It's got the coffee cup on the front with the flowers, and then of course the pretty pink notepad, and just the plain pink, like the blush pink base. I love that. And the beautiful Maggie Holmes paper. And then for this one, I used again the 110-pound white cardstock, and I believe, yep, another yellow one. I used the yellow chubby little notebook again. I love these, you guys. I mean, I don't know how many times I can say that, but if you see these in your Dollar Tree, snatch them up because you can do like craft fair projects with these and everything. This is also another one of my favorites, probably my second favorite, with the green floral paper. I love that. And then I used the green sticky note pad. So these could not be more easy to make. They're so simple, and I just slammed out 4 of them within seriously minutes. And I just love making them. I have the Valentine's ones that I made, and I've already got them packaged up, and I'm going to actually keep them for inventory for my craft fair in the fall time, because as you know, I don't make all like fall theme or Christmas theme things. I make like all year round stuff. So I hope that you enjoyed this, and again, I'm going to link the tutorial so you can make some of these below. And I hope that you go to Dollar Tree and find some of these colorful notepads. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful week. Bye!